Hi, I'm Nikhil. Welcome to new review. So this is the Rager AirShots 500 TWS earbuds review. So this is the box. Looking for reliable wireless earbuds? Well, now is the time for wireless earbuds. You can enjoy music on the go without any wires. What if we tell you that we have wireless earbuds for you which are having amazing battery capacity? Well, we can't wait to test them out and share our experience with you. Nowadays, you can charge your earbuds on the go. Just keep in the charging case and they will keep them charged. So, just once in a while, you have to charge the charging case itself. Isn't it amazing technology? So, these are the Rager AirShots 500 TWS earbuds review. As we can see, this is the package. So, these are the details mentioned. So, it is having Bluetooth 5.0, 50 hours of total music time with backup, 1 hour of fast charging, 12 times full charge with charging case, but we will certainly test them out. So we have opened the box, so we have done the unboxing. So can't wait to check it out. It is having earphones with charging case, fast charging, supporting micro USB cable, small and large earbuds, and warranty card with user manual. So this is the charging case. We will talk about the design as well. It is having a stylish design. As you can see, it is very much classy and elegant design. It seems to be easy to use as well. So this is the warranty and user manual. We can see the pair of earphones in this impressive transparent case. We personally like the case, as we can see the battery percentage of the case in the digital form, that too in 2-digit percentage. This is the micro USB cable. These are the extra pair of earbuds. So this is the right earbud, and there's also a left earbud as well. So there are pointers shown L and R, so that you get to know which earbud are you using. So it is beautiful, and the case is really amazing, which is able to charge your earphones up to 15 times. Yeah, the company says up to 12 times, but we have tested it and it charges up to 15 times. So as we can see, very nice here, but there's also an action button. I will tell you how you can use this action button to control your music and also your calls as well. So it is certainly wonderful. This is like a important accessories with this Rager. So you get all these accessories inside the box. So we are done with the unboxing. As you can see, you can get all these things inside the case. So this is the most important thing. This is a charging case. So the lid is a see-through. You can check out the battery percentage of the charging case with ease. There are magnets in the case which guide the earphones to get into their slots perfectly. These earphones feel smooth and are shiny. They are beautiful curves. They are edgeless. It has overall smooth finish and design. It has a unique design in which the earphone has the LED indicator of switched on and is upside down when connected to your ears. We have used it extensively. The best part is that they fit it into your ears perfectly. It has a secure fit and you can use it while walking, running, working out, traveling with ease. It has quality polymer material which is used in making these earphones and charging case. These earphones and charging case are very much light in weight as well. The brand seems to be confident about the design, as they are providing a super warranty of 1.5 years. We are impressed in terms of the design and quality of these earbuds for sure. We'll talk about our user experience. So the first thing which we would like to mention with our experience is the unbelievable battery performance of the charging case. It has a mega battery capacity. You can charge your earphones from 0% to 100% for 15 times. This is a wonderful stuff. Imagine you are outdoors and you have charged your case full and enjoying music on the go. You don't have to think of charging the case again until you have charged your earphones from 0 to 100%. Another aspect which we experienced with these Rega AirShots 500 TWS earbuds is the effortless use of it. You just have to pick the earbuds from the charging case and plug it into your ears. They will automatically switch on. Pair it with your smartphone or Bluetooth source within 5 seconds. If you have already paired it with a Bluetooth source, then you will have a seamless experience. There is no need to push the buttons just for switching on and off. After use, you can just place them in the charging case. They get automatically switched off and start charging. This is one of the amazing features too. You can see there is action button on each of these earbuds. You can easily control the music using these action buttons. We took some time figuring out the music controls, but it was flawless when we found out about controlling the music was super easy. Here is the cheat sheet for controlling the music on the Rega AirShots 500 TWS earbuds. So music controls: play or pause track, click left or right action button once. Volume button, click left earphone action button 3 times. Volume up, click right earphone action button 3 times. Previous track, click left earphone action button 2 times. Next track, click right earphone action button 2 times. For accessing the assistant, long press left or right earphone action 1 to 2 seconds. Call controls: answer incoming call or end outgoing call, click right earphone action button. Reject incoming call, long press right earphone action button for 1 to 2 seconds. Last call number redial, click left or right earphone action button 3 times. These are water resistant and has IPX7 rating, so they can withstand heavy rains or sweat as well. We have used these earbuds extensively. We have used it for enjoying music. The vocals of the songs are very much clear. It has very good highs as well. These are having mid bass for sure. Not too heavy, but we feel it's exactly what's needed. Heavy bass ruins the songs at times, but these earbuds provide the right quantity of bass in the music. Overall, balanced sound was emitted from these earbuds. Volume are good, not too high, which can damage your ears, but they are enough as well. The charging case has amazing thing to show. These are the individual battery levels of the respective earphones. Also, it shows the battery level in percentage. Another notable feature we experienced was the fast charging in these earbuds. It takes an hour to charge the earphones from the charging case. You can enjoy 3 hours of playtime with full volume and 4.5 hours of playtime with 70% volume, which is amazing. The charging case can be charged in just 40 minutes from 0 to 100%. With this charge, you can charge the earphones 15 times, which is just impressive. Overall, happy with the user experience, and it did surprised with so many amazing features when we started exploring them. Final verdict: this is a high quality product. We loved its battery performance. The detailing of battery percentage was a brownie point for sure. It is comfortable to use even in prolonged usage. Overall sound quality, considering the price, is amazing. At this price, it is a steal deal. Do purchase it from the link below to get discount than the MRP. You will be amazed to get this discount. Do check out the link in the description, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video and kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.